Hi everyone, it's Will, the heart of Mak Tok.
So today I'm going to share with you how to make a Halloween inspired dish. All you'll be needing is some flour, turmeric, beaten egg, salt, coconut milk, water, and your favorite chili paste. Now the next thing you want to do is to put your flour into a mixing bowl, add a bit of salt as well as the turmeric, and then mix them well. Next thing you want to do is to add in your wet ingredients, that's your beaten egg, coconut milk, and some water. And again, mix them well, make sure there's no lumps to it. The next thing you want to do is to take a tall cup and then put a piping bag over it, then strain all your batter and make sure your batter is as smooth as a baby bum. Before you cut the tip of your piping bag, make sure you take a pan and oil it up well. Then under medium and low heat, just pipe your batter onto the pan. Make sure you create a really nice spider net or web design. Now once it's almost done, you can start rolling them up into a really nice shape and just serve it up with some satay chili paste like what I did over here. Perfect Halloween recipe, trust me. Ah! A spider!